good morning. Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In today's video, we will continue the chapter number 2, which is the quadratic function, and this is the last video on this topic. This is the syllabus of Year 11 for the Maths, Pearson Edexcel. And in the previous video, we have seen all these 4 concepts. Now this video is again on the 4th concept, which is roots, alpha and beta, to get the equation. Because video was getting longer and I want to take more more examples. So that's why I have added this here. Okay, so now this is video number 2.4. So in the previous video, we have solved part A, and now I'm solving part B. 3 examples I will solve here in front of you, and then 3 I have given as a solved. So you will test your understanding by putting the video on pause. So let's see here. So like I said in the previous case, the equation which is given to you, using that equation you find out the sum of the roots. For this equation the roots are alpha and beta, right? So I am finding out here alpha plus beta. By the way, you should know what is the meaning of the sum of the root. Sum of the roots are equals to minus b over a, and product of the roots are equals to c over a. Now what is ABC? That is the very general thing. You know, in the quadratic equation, the coefficient of x square is called a, the coefficient of x power 1 is called b, and constant is c. So if I look at this equation, a is 1, b is 5, c is 2. So I'm writing here a1, b5, c2. So I'm substituting these values are here in place of b and a. So I got minus 5 over 1. And here I got it 2 over 1. So that's why I have written here sum of the roots alpha plus beta equals to minus 4, and product of the roots is equals to alpha and beta. So very strong connection here between the roots and the coefficient of the x square and x power 1 and constant. So now using this we will solve part B now in this video. We have to find an equation, quadratic equation, which has root alpha beta and alpha square and beta square. So for the sum of the roots, I will add them up. So it will be alpha beta plus alpha square beta square, and I will simplify them to make use of these values. Okay. So it will be and alpha times beta is 2, so sum of the root is equals to 6, which will come at this place in the equation, and then product of the roots. So I will multiply them. So algebraically we know this is the value here. This means alpha times beta whole square. You know this, right? So it is 8. So product of the root is 8, which will come at this place, and sum of the root will come at this place. So my final equation will be x square minus 6x plus 8 equals to 0. So this is the equation whose roots were given to you in the question here in this form. So let's see another example. So using this equation, first of all I will find out what is sum of the root and product of the root, which I will use here. So first of all, for the given equation, a is equals to 1, b equals to 6, c equals to 1. And the roots of these equations are alpha and beta, which are given here in the question. So sum of the roots for the given equation, which is alpha plus beta, equals to minus b over a. So which is equals to minus 6 over 1. So we don't write 1. And product of the roots alpha times beta equals to C over A, which is equals to 1 over 1. So we will write as 1. So now let's go to part 1. The roots are given to you. One root is alpha plus 3 and the other root is beta plus 3. And you have to find the equation whose roots are these. So again, I will find out sum and product for these roots. So I can plug in here and then I will get the equation. So let's find out the sum of these roots. So algebraically just open it. So alpha plus beta is given to me here. It is equals to minus 6. So I will write minus 6 plus 6, which is equals to 0. Product of the roots it means I need to multiply these given roots, alpha plus 3 and beta plus 3. And then algebraically let's expand it. And now we will simplify and substitute the values. Alpha times beta is given to me. It is equals to 1. And here I will take common factor 3 out. I will have, sorry, plus sign will come here. Alpha plus beta plus 9. And 1 plus 3 times alpha plus beta is minus 6. It is given here. Now simple calculation. 6 3s are 18 plus 9. So answer is minus 8. So my final equation, quadratic equation, will be x square. Now you know I'm using this one. I'm just substituting sum of the roots here and product of the roots here. Sum of the roots is 0. So I will write here minus 0x. And product of the root is minus 8. So the final form of the quadratic equation will be this. So I hope you understood this. Let's see another example. This one. These are the roots. I have to use this. I'm just adding them up, taking LCM. In the last video, I told you the trick of alpha square plus beta square, which I'm writing here again in the brackets, and then I will substitute value here. Alpha square plus beta square equals to alpha plus beta square minus 2 times alpha beta. Right? So this one was minus 6 square. I'm substituting the values from here. So the value I will write here is 34 and alpha times beta is 1. So this is the sum of the roots and then product of the roots it will be alpha over beta times beta over alpha. So this will cancel out and you will have what here? If you see here, you cancel out, you will get 1. And if you want to do it like this, you will get again 1, same answer, right? So now the equation I will write here, x square minus, from here, sum of the root is 34x and product of the root is plus 1. So I hope you understood this equation also. So let's do few questions to test your understanding. I have solved these questions here. You can put the video on pause and then check your answers. So I'm showing it here. So from the given equation, I have found out what is alpha plus beta and what is alpha times beta, sum of the roots and product of the roots. And then same method, I'm applying sum and product of the roots here. So I got sum of the roots minus 1, product of the roots also minus 1, and I will just plug in this equation now. So you will get your equation. Second part of the same question. So this part is same. Just for the sake of revision, we know that alpha plus beta for the equation is equals to minus b over a, and alpha times beta equals to c over a, right? I hope you have gotten the same answer because you must have understood. This is my belief in my teaching and your understanding. So you can match your answer. Okay, and one past paper question. You can take time to read it. And then put the video on pause and try it. So I'm showing you the solution here. So I have picked up the left hand side like I have mentioned. So basically this is giving you the understanding that where it is required, then a plus beta, a cube plus beta cube can be replaced by this whole thing. Just like in the previous question when I was doing alpha plus beta square equals to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 times alpha beta. And to find out this answer, I was manipulating it, right, in the previous example. So same is the thought developed here for a cube plus b cube, what you will do. So this is what is the purpose of doing this part basically, right? It will be used. So now the given equation is here, alpha beta roots. So you have found the sum and the product. And now you will do exactly the same thing what we have done before to find the sum and roots of these, to find the equation. So you can see here. So I hope you understood. Thank you very much for watching the video.